Every single day, thousands of travelers walk into airports and unknowingly make mistakes that cost them money, waste hours of their time, and sometimes even ruin their entire trip. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize they're making these mistakes until it's too late. But smart travelers know a few simple airport secrets that can save them time, money, and a lot of stress. So before your next flight, make sure you never do these 10 things at the airport, because mistake number 1 is something millions of people do every single day, and airlines absolutely love it when you do.
Number 1. Arriving too late. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is arriving at the airport too late. Airports are unpredictable. Security lines can suddenly become crowded, check-in counters can close earlier than expected, and boarding gates can change without warning. Smart travelers don't gamble with time. They usually arrive 2 to 3 hours before an international flight, and at least 2 hours before domestic flights. It might seem early, but it gives you breathing room in case something unexpected happens, because nothing ruins the start of a trip faster than watching your plane take off without you.
Number 2. Checking bags without thinking. Checking luggage might seem convenient, but smart travelers avoid it whenever possible. Why? Because checked bags can get delayed, lost, or even sent to the wrong country. And once that happens, fixing the problem can take hours or even days. That's why experienced travelers prefer carry-on luggage whenever they can. It saves time at check-in, saves time at baggage claim, and eliminates the risk of losing important items. If it's valuable, important, or hard to replace, smart travelers keep it with them. Number 3. Ignoring airport apps. Most airports and airlines now have their own apps, but many travelers ignore them. That's a mistake. These apps can provide real-time updates about gate changes, boarding times, and delays. They can even show security wait times and help you navigate the airport. Smart travelers use technology to stay one step ahead, because the airport announcement system isn't always reliable, and missing a gate change can turn into a very expensive problem. Number 4. Standing in the wrong security line. At many airports, there are multiple security lines. Some are for regular passengers, some are for priority travelers, and some move much faster than others. But many people just join the first line they see without checking. Smart travelers take a moment to look around and find the shortest or fastest line. It may only take a few seconds to check, but it can save you 20 minutes or more. Number 5. Forgetting to empty their pockets. Security checkpoints are already stressful enough, but one simple mistake makes the process much slower: forgetting to empty your pockets. Keys, coins, phones, belts, and even small metal objects can trigger the metal detector. That means you'll have to go through additional screening while everyone behind you waits. Smart travelers prepare before they reach the scanner. They empty their pockets, remove metal items, and place everything in the tray ahead of time. It's faster, smoother, and keeps the line moving. Number 6. Buying expensive airport food. Airport food is famously expensive. A simple sandwich that costs $5 outside the airport might cost $15 inside, and many travelers end up spending far more than they expected. Smart travelers plan ahead. They bring snacks from home or buy food before entering the airport. This simple habit can save a surprising amount of money over time, because airports are one of the most expensive places in the world to buy food. Number 7. Sitting far away from their gate. Many travelers find a comfortable seat somewhere in the airport and relax until boarding, but that can be risky. Gate changes happen more often than people think, and announcements are not always easy to hear from far away. Smart travelers stay close to their gate. That way they can see updates immediately and board the plane without stress or confusion. It's a small habit that prevents big problems. Number 8. Charging phones at public USB ports. Public USB charging stations may seem convenient, but cybersecurity experts warn they can be risky because hackers can install malware through public USB ports in a method called juice jacking. So smart travelers avoid plugging phones into unknown ports and instead use their own power bank or a standard wall charger for safer, more reliable charging. Airports can be chaotic places, especially for inexperienced travelers. But the truth is, a few simple habits can make the entire experience much easier. Arrive early, travel light, stay aware of updates, and always prepare ahead of time. Smart travelers know that the airport isn't just the beginning of a trip, it's the first challenge of the journey. Avoiding these simple mistakes can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. If you found these travel tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more smart travel advice, hidden travel secrets, and tips that make every trip easier. And before you go, check out the next video on your screen. It reveals 10 travel secrets airlines don't want passengers to know. Once you see them, you'll never look at flying the same way again.